Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're doing really well. I have no idea what we're unboxing. It is a try it box, and try it, if you don't know, is a website that anyone can register on. You don't have to have YouTube or Instagram or anything. You can just sign up and then you answer various questions and quizzes and lifestyle things, and you get boxes, and if something fits your profile, you get sent a box of things to try. Like obviously if there's someone who is a single man in his 40s with no kids, he's not going to answer questions, and then there's going to be like a box of baby stuff. That doesn't work. So you kind of have to mesh with different, I don't know, different criteria, but you don't have to have YouTube. It makes no difference if you have YouTube or Instagram or anything like that, as far as I know. And it's free. You just sign up and you get boxes. And I signed up a while ago, and I said, I think I got an email about a week or two ago saying I've matched for a campaign. I have no idea what it is, and it came today, and it literally just ripped this, but it's so heavy. This weighs like 2 kilos this is. And I opened the side and I saw that it was a try it box, but I literally have not a clue what is in here. So they come like this, and you have to answer whatever's in it. You can then win stuff, which I never bother doing. You can take pictures and then tag them on Instagram and Facebook, but you have to write reviews to be in to get with another box. After about a week, they'll send you an email and they'll go, did you enjoy your box? And then you have to answer reviews of every single thing in the box, which sometimes takes a little bit of time, but it's free stuff and it's fun. So I thought I would open it, but literally no idea what's in it. So it's kind of like a mystery box. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would love it if you came along, and hopefully we can get to 10K by the end of the year. That is my goal. Whether or not it will happen, who knows? But let's jump in to this. Sometimes got Rice Krispies in it. What is it? You can't even see. What is it? So it's like snap, share, win. They want you to just take pictures and stuff. So the campaign booklet is what tells you what's inside. So howdy partner, welcome to the summer sunset campaign. We hope you're ready to find some new favorites. We put this little booklet together to give you a bit of info on all the products inside your box. Have fun. So the first thing I've got is Pure Sweet Zero. Looks and tastes like sugar, no bitter aftertaste, 0 calories. Never heard of this before. Let's have a look at this. Diabetic friendly. Yeah, it doesn't take. You don't really get a lot of information. Like, this is all it says about this. So it tells you what it says on the packet, and then it says win £100 Amazon voucher plus a month worth of Pure Sweet goodies. So let's just try it and see if it tastes like sugar or not, or if it does taste like shit sweetener. It looks like sugar. It doesn't really taste of anything. Kind of tastes cold. I know that's weird, but there's no like real sweetness or anything. It just, that's weird. How does it taste of nothing? I'll try it in a tea or a coffee and see what it's like, and then I'll put it on the screen as to what it's like. Next up, Nudie Snacks, premium toasted coconut chips, salt and sweet. Toasted, never fried, high in fiber, gluten free. Nudie, we're nuts about making coconut, and we're nuts about coconut, and we're all excited about making snacking more exciting. Coconut chips are made from freshly sliced coconuts, toasted, never fried. Let's have a look. I don't particularly like coconut. It just looks like just dried coconut. Smells alright. I love the aftertaste of coconut. But when you're chewing it, it's just weird. It's a really weird texture. That would be nice on cereal. I'm gonna have my granola in the morning and I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on because I think it'd be nice. And I don't think you'll get the texture as much if you've got other things with it, if that makes sense. All right. Next, I've got something I can't drink. It is a double shot intenso Colombian espresso and green coffee extract from Starbucks. I'm not allowed caffeine, so I will not be touching this at all. High caffeine content, yeah, definitely not. I don't really know how much caffeine's got in it. It's quite a big thing. Here it says start with a splash of milk. I can't have it. It's a year ago today actually, since I had my SVT and had to go to resus at the hospital. So yeah, I will not be having caffeine. Next, I've got, ooh, Bodega Bay elderflower lemon and mint alcoholic sparkling water. Oh, 29 calories, vegan, gluten-free. I've got lots of coconut in my teeth. Let's have a go. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like elderflower. I'm just looking for it. The other one was apple, ginger, and acai berry. Oh, it's horrible. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, it's horrid. How are you horrid? You smell lovely. Ugh. That is gross. No, that smells really good, but that tastes horrible. So it's just alcoholic sparkling water, but that flavour is rank. Right, I've got a big bottle. Champions Cider, no added sugar, strawberry and rhubarb, 0.5%. Are you non-alcoholic then? Carbonated water, apple juice, apple cider vinegar. Yeah, this is like, so it says forged by international athletes who love sport almost as much as they love cider. However, they don't love the 200 calories and 50 grams of sugar found in a single bottle of traditional flavoured ciders. So they created something better. Delicious cider and no added sugar and only 50 calories per bottle. I don't know if this is like, because this is, I think this is a UK box, but in the UK, cider is like Strongbow or Copperberg and it gets you pissed. But in America, I think they have cider, because you see like on all like the teen films, you see all the teens drinking and they're like, oh, let's have some hot apple cider. And I think that's what this might be, because it's like 0.5%, so it's not even like 1% alcohol. I don't want to open this now because it's a big bottle and it's not very cold. But I'll let you know on the screen what this is like. But yeah, it says made in Britain, Champion Cider. So it's just meant to be like Copperberg that doesn't get you pissed. I'm confused. Let's have a look. Does it tell me anything else about it? No added sugar, only 50 calories, made in Britain. Yeah. Excuse me. Wow. And then the last thing is clinically approved, Wizards Immunity clinically approved chocolate. Caramel chocolate, 100% recyclable packaging, supports healthy bones, boosts immune system, supports a healthy metabolism, rich in antioxidants. Caramel chocolate. Love the packaging. Really smart. Never heard of this before. Let's see if you were disgusting. And with all of them, all you have to do is take a picture of your item and tag them, and then you can win £100 Amazon voucher and then a month's supply of whatever it is you took a picture of. So let's just looks like Girls! It might be chocolate or it might be a poop. What is it?
Chocolate.
What do you think?
Good.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's yummy, isn't it? Look at the cool packaging. Snazzy? High five? Ah! That really hurt.
Which one?
Both of them. Go and get your pyjamas on, then bring the book down. Yeah. That is yummy. Might actually take a picture of that one and tag them so that I can win a month's worth of chocolate. Because that is delicious. And the girls liked it. That is child approved. And I'm still eating it. It says, luxurious chocolate infused with essential oils, clinically proven superfoods, vitamin K2, vitamin D3, Q10. I don't know what any of that shit is. But yeah. Yum.
In my pajamas.
You're in your pyjamas, which is your pants. Go get a book, you sneaky fish. So yeah, that was my try it box. I'm hopeful for this on my granola. We'll see what that's like. But yeah, the drink is rank, and I'll let you know about the other things when Ben tries them. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.